Thank you for joining us at XM.com for today's market comment by Harlan Bospisuros. I'm Maria Bacherdez. The US dollar traded higher against most of the other major currencies on Monday, but it is trading more cautiously today, recording noticeable gains only against the yen and the pound. It seems that trading is more careful today as market participants are awaiting the US CPI data that may add more clarity on when the Fed may begin lowering interest rates. Following the disappointing ISM PMIs, Fed Chair Powell's more dovish than expected testimony last week, and Friday's jobs report that pointed to further cooling in the U.S. labor market, investors are penciling in 90 basis points worth of rate reductions by the end of the year, assigning a more than 80% chance for a first quarter point cut to be delivered in June. The forecasts for today's data suggest that the headline CPI rate remained unchanged at 3.1% year over year in February, and that the core one slid to 3.7% year over year from 3.9%. A sticky headline rate may initially support the dollar, but a further slowdown in underlying price pressures could allow investors to maintain bets about a June cut, as it may add to Fed officials' confidence that inflation continues to move towards their objective. The yen gave back some of its latest gains today after Bank of Japan Governor Ueda said that the Japanese economy is recovering but is still showing signs of weakness. The Japanese currency skyrocketed last week following several reports that the BOJ is getting closer to lifting interest rates out of negative territory. The pound lost the most ground against the dollar yesterday and extended its slide today after the UK employment report revealed the unemployment rate ticked up to 3.9% from 3.8%, and that average weekly earnings slowed more than expected. However, market participants did not bring forward their Bank of England rate cut bets. They still believe the BOE will begin lowering interest rates in August after the Fed and the ECB. The pound's retreat yesterday may have just been the result of reduced risk appetite. On Wall Street, although the Dow Jones gained some ground yesterday, both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq slid, with the latter losing the most. Following Friday's disappointing U.S. jobs data, equity investors may have been liquidating some of their positions, remaining unwilling to buy ahead of today's inflation data. In the crypto world, Bitcoin hit a new record high on Monday after breaking above $72,000. Thanks for watching today's market comment here at XM.com.